Greetings LinkedIn lovers and welcome to another tips and tricks video. Today we're delving into a topic that's crucial for maximizing your presence on this platform. How to add clickable links in LinkedIn posts. LinkedIn is more than just a platform. It's a gateway to professional growth and networking. But navigating in features, especially when it comes to clickable links, can be tricky. Don't worry though, we've got the inside scoop to help you leverage hyperlinks strategically. Adding links to your profile is a breeze. Just click the pencil icon, enter the URL, and there you are. But when it comes to the post, that's where things get interesting. You want to ensure your links are engaging and valuable to your audience. Did you know that according to LinkedIn stats, posts with hyperlinks see a whopping 45% increase in engagement? That's why mastering the art of clickable links is crucial. It's like adding jet fuel to your networking efforts. So how do you use these powerful features effectively? Well, answer is right here. Update your profile with clickable links and craft some engaging posts. And don't forget the clickable LinkedIn image, which is your ticket to standing out from the crowd. In conclusion, don't underestimate the power of clickable links on LinkedIn. They're not just links, they're pathways to expanding your influence, building your brand, and connecting with like-minded professionals. So embrace the click and watch your LinkedIn presence soar. I do appreciate the time you spent watching this video, and if it was helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button for more tips and tricks videos.